हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शॉर्टहैंड सॉफ्टवेयर। अब जो मैं डिक्टेशन बोलने जा रहा हूँ उसको आप मेरे एग्ज़ाम बेस्ड स्टेनो ऑनलाइन सॉफ्टवेयर पर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करके अपनी एक्यूरेट मिस्टेक चेक कर सकते हैं। इस मैटर का पीडीएफ और एडवांस आउटलाइन आप हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप से ले सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है। 3, 2, 1, start. The instant appeal has been filed by the appellant assailing the impugned judgment and final order passed by the High Court of Judicature at Nainital in Government Appeal number 42 of 2010, whereby the High Court has allowed the appeal filed by the respondent and set aside the acquittal of appellant passed by the trial court and convicted the appellant for the charges under sections 304 and 498 IPC. The case of the prosecution in brief is that the marriage between deceased and respondent number 3 was solemnized 4 years back. At the time of the marriage, dowry was given by parents of the deceased as per their financial capacity. Despite the same, the husband and in-laws of the deceased were not satisfied. Whenever deceased used to visit her paternal house, she used to complain about the harassment and brutal beating by her husband, father-in-law, mother-in-law, that is appellant, brother of husband and brother's wife, for non-fulfillment of demands for dowry, to PW1, mother of the deceased. In November, 2007, the deceased was severely beaten and harassed by the accused persons. Due to the ill treatment of her in-laws, she came back to her parental house. PW1 and her husband sent her back to the matrimonial house by stating that they are very poor and in no position to fulfill the demands of the accused persons. PW1, through the news spread amongst the villagers, received information that the deceased was burnt. Thereafter, she called the in-laws of her daughter to inquire about the incident, when she was told by respondent number 3 that she was burnt due to stove burst. Immediately, PW1 along with all her family members reached the base hospital to see the condition of deceased, and on inquiring about how her daughter was burnt, accused persons, instead of giving a satisfactory answer, used derogatory words and started threatening them, and also told deceased to say on inquiry by anybody that she has got burnt by stove. Deceased succumbed to her injuries. Mother of the deceased filed an application under section 156 of the CRPC. The statement of the deceased was recorded by Darshana Devi on the first day after the incident, wherein deceased stated that all of a sudden, the stove burst, oil spilled and caught fire. She had also stated that no one was responsible for the incident. Second, dying declaration was recorded by the Tehsildar, wherein she stated that the stove exploded and her sari caught fire.